And this is one of my favorite buildings over here. The fact it's so cool. Our deyilən vaxta çəkmək lazımdır. Interesting fact, I've been passing by this building near Nizami metro station so often, but I haven't noticed this table which says that Mehdi Hüseyinzadeh, our famous partisan, lived here. I just turned right near the mosque and I'm surprised there's this narrow street. Everything looks like I'm outside Baku, like in some village. I just love it. I like that there are many e-scooters all around Baku nowadays, even next to Nizami metro station. I think this stationery shop has been standing here since forever. I'm walking along Jafar Jabbarly street and I just love the street. It is so cozy here. As you can see, there are many trees. A little noisy, but it's fine. Precisely this part reminds me of Rasulzadeh Avenue in Shaki. I've shown it to you. This is the greenest part. Finally, a huge high-rise building. Just look at that. A French cafe at Nizami. As you can see, there is a variety of different stores here, from cosmetics to dinner shops right in front of each other. And this is one of my favorite buildings over here. Caspian Plaza, Caspian Business Center. And another half-glass high-rise. There is Starbucks over here, and Costa Coffee, and Bravo. But most importantly, there is Luca Palara, my favorite ice cream in Azerbaijan and Georgia. It's originally from Georgia. That's where I tried it for the first time and fell in love with it. And always the first thing that came to my mind when I remembered about Georgia was Luca Palara. Now we have it here as well in multiple locations around the city, and I'm super happy. Now, what a contrast. Yeah, that's what Baku is all about. Agreed. I started the first time coming here, and again I messed up. I confused the entrance to the cafe where I'm going. So I crossed this road from Bravo to the Caspian buildings and went right, but in fact I had to go left. And that's what I recommend you to do if you want to find one of the two coolest cafes in Baku. Use it as a mirror. Bunu niye çekirəm? Biraz şaşkınlıdır ama. Oradadan vaxta çəkmək lazımdır, ucu günəş batanda. Çox. Oy da kameraya bax indi. Belə görsənmir, amma indi I'm now in the territory of Winter Park, which actually neighbors, or I can say borders on the Central Park. It is also similar to Central Park in a way that there are not really many trees, and if you want to visit it, you have to come in the evening. And today I realized that 6:30 is perfect time to have a walk in similar places where there's not much shadow. Yes, golden hour, everything looks beautiful, and it's not hot. Not yet hot, because in July another problem appears: humidity. We have huge humidity in Baku. That's why even in the evening, when there's no sun anymore, it feels unbearable to walk. And this is Courtyard Marriott Hotel. There are many cafes on the territory of this park, including famous Turkish restaurant The Süt.